Welcome back to Gab Speaks, where we say it best and your 5-minute transformation. Are you letting others walk all over you? Well, it's time to set some boundaries. I'll show you how without feeling guilty. Boundaries are the invisible lines we draw to protect our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. They define what is acceptable and what is not in our interactions with others. Without healthy boundaries, we risk feeling overwhelmed, resentful, and taken advantage of. Setting boundaries is not selfish. It's an act of self-respect and a crucial component of strong character. How to set boundaries effectively. Be clear and direct. Use I statements to express needs and limits. For example, I need to leave by 6 p.m. rather than, you're making me late. Be firm, but be respectful. You don't need to be aggressive, but stand your ground. Next, be consistent. Enforce your boundaries. If you waver, others will learn they can push past them. Understand your why. Knowing your reasons for setting a boundary will make it easier, I promise you, to uphold. It's okay to say no. You don't need to justify every no. Sometimes it's a complete sentence. Utilize it. Think about Sarah from day 3. Perhaps one of her challenges was a lack of boundaries, leading to her feeling invisible. As she gained confidence, she likely started setting boundaries on her time and her energy. Consider Eric from day 5. Perhaps a lack of ethical boundaries led to his downfall. Healthy boundaries extend to our moral compass and the limits of acceptable behavior. My book, Courage to Transform, Wisdom the Roadmap, dedicates a section to the importance of self-respect and setting healthy boundaries as essential elements of a well-developed character. You can find practical advice on establishing these vital lines at GabSpeaksLLC.com. See, Gab Speaks offers workshops on effective communication and boundary setting to empower individuals and teams to interact respectfully and with clarity. Learn how to protect your well-being and foster healthier relationships by visiting GabSpeaksLLC.com. Now take a moment, okay, to identify one boundary you need to set in your life right now to protect your well-being. It could be related to your time, energy, personal space, or emotional needs. Write it down. What boundaries do you need to set in your own life? Reflect and share in the comments below. Let's support each other in creating healthier boundaries. Setting boundaries is about protecting what's inside. Tomorrow, Gab Speaks will delve deeper into the importance of self-respect as the foundation for strong character and healthy relationships. Stay tuned. Please like and share.